Welcome to a stunningly designed tiny cabin home that redefines living a small space with its well-considered layout, ingenious practically, and minimalist beauty. Every square inch of this house has been thoughtfully designed to offer comfort, functionality, and also a startling essence of openness despite its small size. The open concept central space, the focal point of the cabin, greets you as soon as you arrive. This middle area serves as a multifunctional, adaptable region that blends in with the surroundings and lets the space breathe. This arrangement guarantees that no space is wasted and preserve a seamless visual and physical flow throughout the interior with few partition and clever zoning. To the right is a little L-shaped kitchen that is entirely functional despite being tucked away in a corner, with a small counter that runs down to walls and provides just enough surface area for meal prep while keeping everything within easy reach. It's designed optimizely efficiency. The room is finished with a small burner, a stainless steel sink, and a few open shelves for cookware and utensils. This kitchen feels surprisingly functional despite its size, and it does not feel claustrophobic or enclosed thanks to natural light streaming in from a neighboring window. Once you pass the kitchen, you will notice this cabin's distinctive features. The little raised floor bedroom in the far corner. This platform bed area, which is raised just a bit above the main floor level, defines the sleeping area and provides concealing storage underneath, making it ideal for keeping clothes, linens, or seasonal goods. The bedroom area seems private without being insulated from the rest of the house because to this slight elevation, a comfortable enclave ideal for relaxing is created by the bed snug fit in the corner and the warm wood tones and soft lighting that surround it. You will find a second wardrobe area on the other side of the main room. Back close to the entrance, this house cleverly divides the sleeping area from the clothing storage by using a small sunken area or curtain of nook. Residents have more freedom in how they handle their personal belongings thanks to this arrangement, which also promotes improved organization. Drawers, a hanging rack, and open storage maximize the vertical space while maintaining the wardrobe discreet yet easily accessibility. The private bathroom and toilet in this tiny cottage is one of its most surprising characteristics. This is a luxury that is uncommon in small dwellings. This arrangement improves convenience and privacy, particularly for families or couples. The restroom, which has a standing shower and a small basin, is situated close by in its own enclosed space, and the toilet is in a little private cubicle. The division of these two roles reflect the careful consideration of usefulness and hygiene in traditional Japanese planning. Clear story windows provide natural light and ventilation, making even these tiny areas feel airy and comfortable to use. The cabin's materials have been carefully selected to preserve warmth and coherence. A lot of light tone wood is used for the furnishing, ceiling, and floors, which adds to the overall harmony and tranquility. Because the walls are primarily neutral, the wood's organic texture are highlighted. Without detracting from the cabin's cozy appearance, subtle black or metal elements in fixtures and handles add a sense of modernism. And the way this small cabin strikes a balance between openness and clarity is what makes it so endearing. Between the utilitarian zone, kitchen, sleeping space, closet, and bathroom, the open concept middle area acts as a versatile buffer. However, none of these areas clumsily blend into one another. Instead, each zone may stand alone while yet contributing to the overall design thanks to low partition, level shifts, and well-placed furniture and also the fixtures. This cabin is small, but it never feels crowded. From drawer beneath the elevated bedroom floor to shelves hidden beneath worktops and storage cubbies in the closet area. Storage is discreetly incorporated throughout. This degree of integration guarantees that daily life is efficient and comfortable without sacrificing visual clarity. Spending time in this house evokes a sense of tranquil simplicity. Every item has a place and every design choice has a purpose in this area that promotes mindfulness and deliberating living. The design quietly and unobtrusively supports your daily routines, whether you are preparing a light meal in the L-shaped kitchen, unwinding in the open middle space, or retiring to the elevated bed for relaxation. This tiny log home is a brilliant illustration of how clever interior design and architecture can turn a small area into a beautiful, useful, and also habitable space. It's more than just a home, it's a way of life that values simplicity, clarity, and the notion that living well does not always entail living large.